Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, let's talk about a staple that has been a go-to for many when it comes to everyday hydration, Olay Active Hydrating Beauty Fluid Lotion. If you're in the market for a facial moisturizer that promises to tackle dryness and the appearance of fine lines, keep watching as I share my experience with this product. Olay's Active Hydrating Beauty Fluid Lotion is designed to replenish moisture and restore your skin's smooth, supple feel. It comes in a 4-ounce bottle, and this pack includes 2. The formula is dermatologically tested, non-comedogenic, and boasts a non-greasy finish, which makes it a great choice for daily use, especially if you're worried about clogged pores or excess shine. The key claim here is hydration, with the promise to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles over time. Packed with hydrating ingredients, it works to give you soft, smooth skin, making it an essential part of your skincare routine. Whether you're using it in the morning or evening, this product aims to keep your skin nourished and moisturized throughout the day. So let's talk about how this moisturizer performed during my real-world testing. I've been using it as a morning moisturizer, layering it under my makeup, and I have to say, it blends effortlessly into the skin. The non-greasy formula is a huge plus for those with combination or oily skin types, as it absorbs quickly without leaving any residue. The lightweight texture makes it feel like a drink of water for your face, which is exactly what you want from a moisturizer. In terms of hydration, I found it effective. It doesn't leave the skin feeling tight or dry throughout the day, which is crucial, especially if you're in a climate that leans toward the drier side. I didn't notice any irritation, which is important since the formula is marketed as non-comedogenic, and that's always a concern when trying new skincare products. My skin felt softer and looked smoother after consistent use, but it didn't completely erase fine lines. While it promises to help reduce the appearance of fine lines, I think those seeking a drastic anti-aging treatment might want to look at something with stronger actives like retinol or peptides. Now, let's break it down with the pros and cons. On the pro side, I love the non-greasy lightweight texture. This makes it an excellent choice for layering with other skincare products or wearing under makeup. The hydration is on point. My skin felt moisturized throughout the day, and it didn't leave any unwanted shine. Plus, the fact that it's non-comedogenic makes it friendly for acne-prone skin. On the downside, the anti-aging claims are a bit more subtle. While it did hydrate and smooth my skin, I didn't see a major reduction in fine lines after a few weeks of use. If you're expecting quick, dramatic results in the wrinkle reduction department, this might not be the product for you. Also, while I appreciate the pack of 2 for value, the packaging is quite basic, and the pump could have been more sophisticated for easier dispensing. Now, when it comes to value for money, this product offers a solid balance. It's relatively affordable, especially for 2 4-ounce bottles, making it a cost-effective option for daily hydration. While there are other moisturizers on the market that offer more targeted anti-aging benefits, Olay's Active Hydrating Beauty Fluid Lotion does deliver on hydration and moisture, making it a reliable staple for those looking to keep their skin feeling soft and smooth. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple but functional. The plastic bottle is easy to use and travel-friendly. Since this is a daily moisturizer, you'll likely go through a bottle fairly quickly. So the value of having 2 in 1 pack is nice for ensuring you don't run out mid-week. If you're looking for alternatives, there are plenty of budget-friendly moisturizers out there that can hydrate and smooth skin. If you want something with more anti-aging power, you could try a product like Neutrogena's Hydro Boost Water Gel, which also offers long-lasting hydration but with added hyaluronic acid. For a higher-end option, Clinique's Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion Plus provides great hydration and works well for sensitive skin. To wrap things up, Olay's Active Hydrating Beauty Fluid Lotion is a solid daily moisturizer for those who need hydration without the greasy feel. While it may not drastically reduce fine lines, it does provide lasting moisture and smoothness. If you're looking for an everyday hydrator that can fit into any skincare routine, this could be a great choice. However, for more advanced anti-aging needs, you might want to explore other options. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.